Joyce Yap with Bartolome here. So for today, I'll be sharing with you a tour. Hindi condo tour, hindi pa house tour, pero we'll be doing an office tour today. This is our humble abode sa aming bagong business. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, isasama ko kayo. So tara, pasok kayo sa aming munting office. Let's go! When you enter yung likod ng aming door, guys, kasi nga, syempre, tiny lang ang room namin at medyo OC ang mga kasama ko dito at ako rin naman. We have here ang ating shoe rack, mini shoe rack, guys. So, para tayong Japan D, para tayong Muji style. So, iwan mo yung shoes mo dito and then you change sa aming office slippers, diba? Parang, syempre, second home namin to. So, gusto namin tidy ang ating office. So, ayan. When you come here naman, guys, we have here ang ating rack. Para tayong may showcase area dito. So, ayan. Kayo muna ang unang makakakita kasi parang by this time, nilalabas pa lang namin yung mga things na pwede namin ilabas for POV print. So, yun. Just to give you a background, our new business is related to printing service. So, parang pinaka-mother business niya is POV Prints PH. So, yan. Pwede tayong mag-print dyan ng anything under the sun that you need. Shirts, bags, stickers, keychains, souvenirs, and everything. Yon. Lahat doon, dito, POV Prints. Tawagan nyo na kami. Corporate things that you need. Tapos naman, we have parang branch naman ni POV Prints, that's Henlo. Yun yung una nating nilabas, guys. Henlo by POV Prints naman is related to all pets. Diba? As a pet lover, doon yon. So, just to give you a clarification, guys, kasi baka yung iba, yung customized, ang nakikita nila, we do yung pets nyo, tapos ipiprint lang diretso sa mga tote bags namin. Hindi ganun, guys. Since meron tayo na creative director, si Jel, ang dating nag-edit, nasa likod siya ng camera ngayon. Ayan, si Jel naman ngayon, ang creative director namin, ginagawa niyang line art yung mga fur babies nyo. So, ayun, guys. Rest assured na yung customization namin is not just your photo printed to our tote bags, ginagawa pa natin yan na art. So yan, parang, di ba, when you have paintings, no, nasa canvas siya. Kami naman, ang canvas namin ngayon, nagsisimula muna tayo sa aming mga tote bags. So ayan. All our tote bags here, guys, are locally produced. We have a partner for all the tote bags, so customized to, guys. All things that we have here are made with love. Bakit? Kasi bawat piece niyan, guys, ito, pakita natin. Guys, yung kapal, yung haba niyan pag sinuot nyo, yung pockets na nilalagay dyan, yung etiketa nito, guys, lahat yan. Mabusisi ko yung chine-check, guys, with the team also. So, yan, I'm so grateful to Donna, ang aming partner sa ating paggawa ng tote bag. So, all tote bags, hindi siya, guys, yung commercially available that you see on social media. Lahat to, crafted with love. Pinipili natin ang telang gagamitin, ang kapal ng tela, ang kulay na gagamitin, guys. Ako, hindi ko masyado maaninag ang mga kulay, pero guys, iba-iba pa pala yan. May off-white, may white na ganito, ganyan, ganyan. So, ayan. Lahat ng kukunin nyo from us, made with love yan, and curated thoroughly and keenly. So, dito naman, guys, sa side na to, so, when we were able to produce na all the things that you need, we have a mini studio here. Actually, guys, meron ditong mga ilaw. Isa-set up ko pa to with the background kasi syempre, you know naman, as POV Lens, with POV Studios, ibang business naman yon. Yun, guys, pwede naman tayo magdiretso na ng pictorial dito ng mga products nyo. So, ayan. Ito yung favorite corner ko, guys. Pinagawa natin to through Pinterest. So, yun, sabi ko naman sa inyo, every time that you give me a blank canvas, naiisip ko na, nakikinikinita ko na kung ano yung mga perfect things na ilalagay sa bawat place. So, yan, guys. Still, wina-work on pa namin yung final design. We'll have a logo here. We'll be, using it for our bazaar. So, ayan, guys, tuloy na dahil nagbayad na kami. Pwede ko na rin i-announce. On May 10 to 11, we'll be joining Samut Sari Bazaar at the Yard, BGC. So, sumama kayo sa amin. And in June also, we'll be at Corner House. So, yan ang mga abangan nyo sa amin. So, ito. So, meron tayo dito na mirror. Kasi, syempre, every time that you have na yung mga sample products namin. For example, sige, bigyan ko kayo. Like for example, ito ang aming best seller na Aspin, guys. Ayan. Para we can do the content here or we can check kung bagay ba, proportion ba sa body. We have here yung mirror natin. So, ayan. Syempre, aesthetic, diba? Hindi natin yan nabili nung kasal natin. Gawin natin siya sa negosyo. Diba? Meant to be, meant to be. So, here naman on this side, guys, we have our production area. So, si Tita Ella, aming head of production, nakikita nyo siya during our behind the scenes when we were fixing this office. So, meron kami dito na heat press. We can do your shirts, your caps, your mugs, anything na kailangan i-heat press, sublimation, DTF, vinyl, i-message nyo na kami dyan. So, ito yung mga things na meron kami. Siyempre, along the way, we'll be growing our machines also. So, yan, we make sure that we have yung mga patterns namin dito. So, yan, you know naman me, I love arranging, I love organizing, I love storages. So, ayan, I made sure that we have yung mga areas natin dito to organize our things. So, yung mga stickers nandyan, we make sure that we have all sizes of scissors that we need. We have post-its here all the time dahil nga OC ang mga tao dito. They have their own alcohol per area. May tissue, may wet wipes. So, ayan. So, on this side naman, guys, ang nakita ko naman dito is that we organize our stocks. So, on this side, these are for POV print. So, ayan, sa mga makakapanood dito, we can do wedding things, wedding souvenirs. So, I have here ang aming jewelry box na hindi pa talaga namin finally na-launch, pero marami nang naka-order. Tapos, I was able to reactivate again storage joy. So, sa mga may kailangan ng storage, we'll be doing more of this. Para yung mga things nyo naman, yung mga tote bags nyo, ano naman siya, meron siyang mga organizers inside. So, ayan, ilagay na lang natin dito, storage joy. So, ayan, go check it out. Tapos, we have pala on this side our whiteboard. Ayan, buti wala masyadong laman ngayon para hindi nyo makita yung mga agenda namin. Pero we do yung mga things na kailangan namin i-check, yung mga temperature and all. So, dito namin nilalagay ang mga reminders aside from those na pinopost namin online. Okay. So, we have here our aircon. Kailangan yan along with our electric fan kasi guys, mainit ang pag-heat press. We have here naman our steamer para maganda rin yung mga pagdating sa inyo ng inyong mga tote bags. So, ayan, we have here our supplies. Ito pa lang yung initial guys. Marami pa. Nasa kotse, ipapasok pa natin ngayon yan. So, okay. On this side naman, it's intended to showcase what we can print for you guys. So, bigyan ko kayo ng example, no? So, we can do shirts. Ayan, si Aki shirt natin nandito. Tapos, alam niyo, di ba yung sa wedding? Since nga sa wedding related ako, alam niyo yung mga trendy ngayon na transition. Yan, yung mga sinusuot nila yung mga shades. Tapos, pwede naming lagyan ng sticker yan, ng name ng bride and groom, tsaka yung date ng kasal nyo. So, ayan, we can also do mugs. Ayan, we also do pouches. So tingnan natin, in the future, we can do yung mga souvenir na DIY customized pouch. Tapos, we can do also boxes, your packaging, and all. We do business cards. So, ayan, kahit ano, flyers and all, i-message niya na kami. Yung tour to na may halong, ano na, sponsored, not sponsored ads. So, yan, we have here our silhouette cameo. Ayan. Tapos, meron tayo dito mga printers and all. Yan. Huwag nyo nang masyadong alamin yan, mga parts na yan. And then, we have here, of course, our desktop. Dito, ang pinaka-place talaga ni Jel. Siya ang ano dyan. Tapos, yung mga nire-regalo sa atin as a ninang, nagagamit po natin yung mga ilaw nyo dyan. Ayan. Tapos, ito guys, I wanna share with you, if napansin nyo, may mga flowers tayo dito. We'll be releasing this by Mother's Day. Fina-finalize lang namin. Pero these beautiful flowers are from Clara Mila Manila. Made by my best friend, si Mayel, guys. Ayan, diba? Ang flowers, it's an art also. Parang dun mo naman ine-express yung love mo and yung mata mo for flowers. So, ayan. We are collaborating with Clara Mila Manila. Yun guys, tapos si Mayel, alam nyo ba, nag-aaral pa yan sa Japan para lang mag-aral ng flower arrangement. So ayan, support natin siya dyan. So yan, we have here our organizers. Ito guys, andyan yung mga kapapela namin. And then here, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. This is a Pinterest-inspired na showcase, how we showcase our product. So ito, initially, this is our Henlo pocket tote bags. Ayan, you have here your fur babies. Ito yung mga initial collection namin. Meron kami Aspin, Bichon, Chihuahua, Corgi, Dachshund, Frenchie, Poodle, and Shih Tzu. Tapos pocket collection siya. Bakit? Ayan guys, kasi meron pa tayong pocket dito sa labas. Kasi syempre, when you go out no, with your fur babies, gusto natin nandito yung mga tissue, nandito yung mga poop bag para easy access for you guys. So yan. Tapos, we have here naman sa taas ang aming big tote collection. Technically, yung mga big faces lang ng mga dogs nyo. Yun, siya naman yung, di ba parang cute? Ang big ng bag mo, tas big ng face ng tote. Big ng aso mo sa tote bags. Marami na rin kumuha nito kahit hindi pa namin na-release. So, kapag magko-customize kayo with us, kasama na rin to sa option. So, ayan, we have here Labrador, our Goldie, and our Chow Chow. Ayan, we have another arrangement here by Caramilla Manila. Ayan guys, ang ganda diba? O, comment nyo na yan if you-get kayo for Mother's Day. What are we gonna do for Mother's Day? We'll be collaborating a flower arrangement along with our mama bag, tote bag. So, yan! So, here guys, ito yung pinaka-last na dumating sa office namin guys. Kasi, initially, ang gusto ko, pabilog siya para marami pa rin gagalawan. Pero syempre, since we're on startup business, guys, hindi muna tayo magsusplurge. Kasi yung nasa isip ko, guys, nasa 10,000 agad yung aming table. So, I got this from, the Orange app, 1,700 lang. Okay din naman. Okay naman siya sa aesthetic. Tapos, IKEA yung mga chairs natin. So, yan. This is where we do our meetings. Kasi nga may mga pa-huddle kaming team. Tapos, syempre, dyan na rin kami nagagawa ng mga crafts namin. So, yan! How do you like our office? I'll be giving you a montage also. So, kung may mga tanong kayo about business, please let me know. So, magpasok muna tayo ng montage. Hope you like our vlog for today. Ito ang aming mini office na syempre malayo ang vision namin dito ni Jello. Alam niyo naman na every time we do business, our goal is to enable the skills, the talents of the people we work with. We support local businesses and syempre we want to give jobs. So ayan, we started the business in March 2025. Babalikan natin to when we transfer to another bigger warehouse, no? Fingers crossed kasi nga, we don't only see this business doing papers, we see it doing billboards. Bakit hindi? So yun guys, if you wanna know more anything about business, paano kami nagsisimula, paano ako nagde-decorate, ayun guys, iba lang talaga kapag nakakita ako ng mga bagay-bagay. Hindi ko rin alam kung anong klase yung tawag sa akin. Pero ako yung businesswoman talaga na anytime, anywhere, nakikita ko yung opportunity for things like this. Parang ito, pwede itong ibenta, pwede ito sa Mother's Day, pwede ito sa Valentine's Day, and also, yan! Thank you so much for watching the vlog and hopefully na-enjoy nyo. Ang susunod nito, alam nyo na yan, we'll be traveling soon! Finally! Ayan, pasensya na rin kayo na late ang ating pagta-travel. May mga nagtatanong na sa akin, even on TikTok, pag nagla-live ako, bakit wala silang mapanood? Guys, ito na. Manunood na kayo ng next travel series natin. Matagal-tagal tayo doon, so marami kayong panonoorin. So ngayon muna, please show our businesses some love. Follow us at POV Lens. Iba pala yun. Follow yun. Sige, follow nyo na rin. POV Lens. For wedding content creation, follow POV Prints PH. Ayan, for our printing services, and Henlo by POV Prints PH for those who love naman mga dogs, cats. Lalabas din yan soon. So, ayan, thank you so much for watching the vlog. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media accounts. At Yabot Joyce Ann on Instagram and she, JY on TikTok sa mga magta-travel dyan this summer season. Don't forget to use my club code, Joyce She Club, to get 5% discount. So, ayun, I'll see you on the travel series. See you on the next one. Bye!
What's your response?
Yes, partner.
I do.
Paano ba yun? Paano sila nag-shoot?
Ang sakit na.